everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I am here today with an unboxing. I received some diamond paintings from a company that it's called adiamondpainting.com. I'm going to link all of this information down below. I'm going to link specifically the ones that I received and all the information. I do not have a discount code, but I will tell you about this. So it's, again, the company is called adiamondpainting.com. If you buy 3, you get 1 free, and you get free shipping worldwide, so all over the world, anywhere you live, if you pay over $59. And they not only sell diamond paintings, they also have like the accessories you need, and a lot of super cute stuff. So make sure you go check them out. You will be amazed at all the cute goodies they have. I know that I will be ordering from them because I saw a bunch of things that I really like. And the prices are super accessible. So like right now, their diamond paintings, this one, it's a big size. It's like 30 by 30. And they are $9.99 each. So super affordable. Make sure you go check them out, okay? So the link to their company is going to be down below in the description box. So make sure you go check that information out, okay? Let's open one just to see what they come with. Let me show you first. This one is a Christmas one. So it's Santa and the reindeer. This one is a doggy. Look at that. So super cute. And this is 30 by 30. That one too. It's centimeters, okay? And then this one here, it's a kitty cat. Look how beautiful. I love that. So sweet. Those are 2 kitties, and also 30 by 30 centimeters. Okay. So let's open this one because it's super cute for Valentine's. We're going to see. I don't want to break the packaging. Everything comes super nicely wrapped, you guys. And sorry about the crinkly noise. This is the kitties. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look. So this is the this paper. This is sticky over here in the back. See that? That's a sticky. So that's where you're going to place your diamonds. And again, this is the picture. Those are the kitty cats. I love them. I love the colors of the bows and everything. It's so pretty. And it has some roses on the bottom. And it tells you the instructions here. How to do it. It's a really good size too. It's something that is super manageable. That you can, you know, actually make within a reasonable time. These are your diamond dots. Look how beautiful those colors are. They are round, super pretty, and they come in a different love the pink, that pink, and I love that also, that hot pink. Ooh, so pretty. So they all come in their individual baggies. There are 24 different colors in here. Look at that one. Oh, so pretty. Look. And then it comes with the tray and the tool that you need to pick them up and place them on your paint. This is the glue that you need and some extra baggies. So let me take this out here just to show you. So it's a great company. It's a great price. Again, $9.99 per each one of them. So, and make sure that if you buy 3, you get 1 free. This is your tool you use to pick up the diamonds. Some extra baggies. This is your glue if you need extra glue. So all your tools are included. So thank you so much to adiamondpainting.com for sending this to me to review. I love it, and I'm so excited, and I feel that I want to share with you guys. So if you guys are still here with me watching this unboxing video, and if you are my subscriber, you need to be a visible subscriber. You need to be 18 years or older, and you need to comment down below and let me know which one of the three of them you'd like to win. Okay, so your option would be the kitties, the doggy, or the Christmas one. So I'm gonna give you I'm gonna let you choose, and then I'm gonna draw a winner. Okay, so make sure you comment down below. No hashtag, nothing, just let me know which one is your favorite, and you will be entered in the drawing. But make sure you are a subscriber, and you have to be a visible subscriber so I can go check and see in your channels that you support. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody. All the information is going to be down below if you want to order from them under direct link to their website. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Bye bye.